We're gonna be doing a fabric haul today. I have a whole bunch of projects that I'm just dying to get started. Some I'm gonna film for you guys, some I'm gonna keep to myself.
Oh, don't like that, huh?
Yo, welcome back to the channel. I'm your tall tailor. My name's Chad. Let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is this. Really simple, really clean, nothing too crazy. This is some white organic cotton. I got this for about $8 a yard. I think I have 2.5 yards in here, so not too expensive. I'm only making a button down kind of like quasi like chef's jacket shirt thing. I have a couple of drawings, a couple of sketches that I made. I'm kind of gonna be recreating it after a different type of shirt. It's gonna be like a DIY designer kind of episode. Maybe I'll post this in the summer, or depending on how long it takes me to actually make this, because I got a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, there's that. Okay, next up I have two different types of denim. These are pretty plain, actually, nothing too crazy about them. This is a medium weight, sort of like a charcoal black denim. I'm gonna be making a pleated skirt out of this one, maybe like a mini skirt. Actually, we'll see. We'll work something out. I might actually make this into a video so I can kind of like equalize the male and female content on this channel. I think I got a lot of. Did I make any dresses on this channel? Actually, I think I made a couple, maybe like a while ago. But anyway, I'm gonna be making a skirt out of this one. I'll probably make a video out of that. Next up, I have some more denim. This one's a little bit different. It's like a pinstriped white and black denim. I saw this, it was, I want to say maybe 17 bucks a yard. And I'm like, oh, that's like not too bad for denim. This one's a little bit more of a heavier weight. I'm gonna make some pants out of this, and if I have more fabric, I'm gonna make a bag. I think it'll be like a cool bag, like a pinstriped, maybe I'll pleat it kind of bag. So I'm excited for this one as well too. This one is really plain. I got all these at Affordable Textiles on Queen Street, so that's why all the bags are exactly the same. This one's a little bit more plain. I'm going to be making a hoodie sample out of this. This is just some French terry black. If you guys saw my pants video, I'll link it in the description, a couple videos back. It's the exact same fabric, so if you want to get like a better look at it, you can kind of check out that video. Shameless plug, I know. And last but not least, I have, this is my favorite one actually, so I actually am saving the best for last. This is some Realtree camo velvet. I've never seen printed velvet before. Realtree camo velvet. I'm gonna be making a jacket out of this, a jacket with a whole bunch of panels. I kind of want to chop up the Realtree camo pattern on this and have it in like a whole bunch of different ways and different directions. I think that'll look really cool, or it could look really bad. I don't know. I guess we'll see together. We'll try that out. And oh, before I forget, this isn't fabric, but I want to show you guys it anyway. This is a really big zipper. The teeth on this are humongous, and it was, I don't know, I just I really wanted to get this, so I bought this zipper. I do plan on making maybe a duffel bag out of it. The webbing is huge. I feel like this will make a pretty cool bag for just like, you know, hauling things around. A couple, I think last year or the year before, I made a video on tote bags, or I made a whole bunch of tote bags, and one of them was huge. I think it's actually, hold on, it's actually right here. It's a really big tote bag, and I want to make something similar but with this zipper. Make like a really big like duffel bag. I'll carry a whole bunch of stuff in it, kind of like, you know, money heist type of bags. That's it for fabric. That's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. Oh, hold on, one last thing. Before I forget, I already made this garment, so it's not fabric. I made some overalls. They're made out of these like dark sage, light forest green twill fabric. It's like a medium weight, good for pants. I haven't made a pair of overalls in a while, and I really like what I did for the fly design on these pants. They're kind of like, I'll show some B-roll so you guys can check it out and see, but I made like a different, unique kind of fly design on these pants. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully we'll get all these projects done in a timely manner, and maybe not actually, I don't know. I've been kind of busy with a whole bunch of stuff lately, so I haven't really been sewing. Everything's kind of got like pushed back, you know, life and like other projects and stuff like that. You know, I gotta sleep, unfortunately. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and I will be posting all this on my IG, my Twitter, here obviously. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.